I slept all day. I woke with this taste, and I railed, and I raved that the difference between the sprout and the bean, it is a golden ring. It is a twisted